Hello student, how are you? Today we will continue with second chapter of the statistics. Chapter name is presentation of data. You have been studied it for last 1 month. Main work of statistics is collection of data. In the field of statistics, first off we have collect of data, and after we will present this data, and then we will interpret it. But today in this lesson we have to collect data. It is known as raw data or ungrouped data. Which information has been collected by us? So question is the data regarding the earning of 40 rickshaw driver during a certain day are as follows. Prepare a frequency distribution having one class as 220 to 239 and class length 20. In this question, we have to collect data by 40 rickshaw driver, okay, of any city or any place, and which information we have collected from it. Earning of first rickshaw driver has earning is 285, certain day, any day we have assumed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or date wise. First rickshaw driver has income for certain day is 285, okay, as well as, and last rickshaw driver has income is 345 for in a one day, okay. Now we will prepare frequency distribution. Which type frequency distribution will be prepared? So continuous frequency distribution we will prepare, but condition is given here. One class is 22239. Condition already given in this question. We should be prepared one of the class is 222 to 39 and class length is 20. Okay. So let's start this sum with our old method. First off, we have find out lowest value of x. Lowest value of x. Lowest value of x is 200. Okay. Now highest value of x. Which is highest value of x? You can say which is the highest value of x. So highest value of x is 356. Okay. We made class telemark and frequency. the class is known as this class is known as daily income, and frequency is known that in this question number of driver. So we can write here class or earning or income, okay, in rupees, or income in rupees. And here we write number of driver. It is not necessary to write this number of driver or earning per day. Okay, we have satisfied with class and frequency. It is necessary. It is not necessary to write. Okay, so we will make which first class 222 39? No, we make first classes. Lower value is included. So we will make first class as this type 200 219, because condition is given in the example. Okay, second class this, having one of the class 220 to 239. Now you will think which class will write by me in this year. So we can write here 242 259, because class length is 20. 262 279, 282 219, 302 390, 322 339, 342 359. We have stopped this class because highest value of x include in this class. Okay, so not necessary to write next class. Okay, now telemarks method you have studied in last 2 or 3 video. So okay, so it is so easy. We have made this type of class, it is known as inclusive frequency distribution. When the value has been not repeated, we have known that inclusive frequency distribution. But instead of this class, we made this type of class, it is known as which type? Yes, exclusive frequency distribution, because 240 is not included in this class, but 240 is excluded from this class. So value of 240 we will put in this here. Okay, so it is known as exclusive frequency distribution or exclusive class. Okay, this class is inclusive class. Why it is known as inclusive class? Because 219 is included in this class, not in this class. So it is known as inclusive frequency distribution or inclusive class. This is inclusive class, and whole answer is known as inclusive frequency distribution. Okay, you have learned that 285 is included in this class, 215 is included in this class, 200 is included in this class, 225 is included in this class, 255 is included in this class, 250 is included in this class, 235 is included in this class. Okay, so easy. Okay, 235, 242 is included in this class, 298 is included in this class, 312 is included in this class, 328 tiping is not necessary, but we will forget the value, so I already done with tick mark. 294 is included in this class, 266 is included in this class. Okay, so answer so easy. So answer is prepared in this form. Okay, now we say that total raw data we have collect from the rickshaw driver, 40 rickshaw driver. Okay, total 40 rickshaw driver. In 40 rickshaw driver, 4 driver has income in particular day or earning between 200 to 290. Okay, it is known as raw data. Okay, or on-group data. It is known as group data. So we have called this answer is classified data. Data have classified in this class. Okay. So now 6 rickshaw driver has income between 220 to 239. Okay, big information is present in short form. Now 10 marks is not necessary. 10 marks is not necessary. You will cut 10 marks in this 3 column. So you will get 2 columns, only earning or number of rickshaw driver. It is not necessary. Okay. Now we have interpreted 6 driver has income between 260 to 279, and last 5 driver has income between any particular day is 340 to 359. Okay, it is known as presentation of data. Okay, now you have studied in this lesson new concept, inclusive class, and in previous video we have studied exclusive class. Okay, it is known as lower limit, and it is known as upper limit. Left hand side value is known as LL, lower limit. Right hand side value is known as UP. Sorry, UL, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit. Okay. Now we will study necessary formula of this chapter. One formula is so easy: mid value or midpoint. First formula of the second chapter: mid value or midpoint. The formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. You will remember this formula, okay, or you will be write this formula in your notebook, okay. Mid value or midpoint. Formula is lower limit plus upper limit. The answer has been finished up to this value of this question. Now, in this question, you will ask, find out mid value of each and every class. Then we will use this formula, okay. Now, lower limit of first class. Now we will find mid value of all class 1 by 1. Find out mid value of each class. This is our first question. Prepare frequency distribution. Now, second question. I have put in this question, also second question, find out mid value of each class. Okay. Now, lower limit of first class is 200. Okay. Upper limit is 290 divided by 2. Okay. So answer is 200 plus 219. So total is 409 upon 2. Okay. You will use in the standard 11 calculator. Okay. Up to the 10, calculator is not compulsory. Okay. But now from standard 11, calculator is compulsory. Okay. So answer is 209.5. So we can say that the first class has mid value 219.5. Okay. This value is included between exact these two values at the middle. Now, second, which mid value of second class? So second class has lower limit 220 upper limit 239 divided by 2. Okay, so total is 459 divided by 2. So answer is 229.5. So we can write here 229.5. Okay, in one question I have finished 2 answer. Okay, इसको कहते हैं एक तीर पे 2 निशान. ओके, नाउ which is mid value of third class? So you will put lower limit and upper limit of this class 240 plus 259 divided by 2. It's so easy. Okay, now you take your calculator and give me the answer of mid value of third class. Okay, you take your calculator. Okay, and answer is 200. Which answer? 249.5. Okay, now fourth class, lower limit 260 plus upper limit 279 upon 2. Okay, you will put this formula at your home in your notebook. Okay, I have got mid value of first two class by formula. Okay, now remaining class mid value you will find out at your home. Now mid value of this class is 269.5. now which is mid value of fifth class? Formula is this. Now we will put lower limit is 280 plus upper limit is 299 divided by 2. So answer is 289.5. Okay, now next class mid value is 309.5. Last second class mid value is 329.5. Okay, which is mid value of last class? You will take this formula and put value in this formula and you will find this answer in your notebook. Okay, so it is enough for today. In next video we will learn different formula of this chapter, like lower boundary point, upper boundary point, class length. Okay, lower limit also, upper limit also. Okay, so it is enough for today's video. Okay, thank you and take care.